unisolate it for me, bro? Let's see if it's still throwing this code, man. Yesterday when we pre-started the rig, it threw a code with low lube pressure. If we can't get it sorted here now, we'll get a fitter up from Brisbane. May have to pull the rig off. Yes, try fault finding it. I think we're going to ring the fitters and see if they're happy for us to pull off that line from the lube pump to the head. We had no rotation, and noticing over the last couple of days the lube pressure's been really sporadic. Swapped over the 2 sensors on the filter housing and the faults have changed, so just confirming that the sensor's buggered. Hey, it's that sensor, hey, when we swapped it over, the fault come up on the bearing pressure. It went from lube pressure low to bearing pressure low. Oh, but then it won't vibe, eh? Oh, shit. Yeah, you got one there. Just send me the link for the air freight. I'll just get them to pick it all up at once. Yeah, sit back. You good? That's smart. Luckily for us, it was just a sensor. Got one flown in from Brizzy, swapped it out today, and we're up and drilling again.